In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Square account to your Squarespace site, making your online store even more efficient and keeping your transactions seamless. This is an excellent way for anyone running an online business to handle their payments smoothly and efficiently without any hiccups. So let's dive right in and get started on integrating these two platforms. The first thing we'll need to do is navigate to the Squarespace website. If you're not familiar with it, Squarespace is a popular choice for building websites, especially for small business owners and creatives seeking a professional-looking presence online without needing to dive into the complexities of coding. Once you are there, make sure you're logged into your account. This is important because being logged in will allow you to access all the settings you need to adjust. Next, hover your mouse over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. It's generally located somewhere near the bottom of the menu options, and this is your gateway to adjusting virtually everything on your website, from design to functionality. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll want to go to the Selling section, which handles all the aspects of your e-commerce needs. We're looking to connect a payment processor, so the logical next step is to click on Payments. Here you'll find various options, but for our purpose today, we're focusing on Square. Square is a widely used payment processing platform that helps you accept credit card payments with ease. Once you've spotted Square on the list of payment options, you'll see a Connect button right next to it. Go ahead and click on this. It's crucial because this is where the integration magic begins. After hitting the Connect button, you'll be prompted to log into your Square account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you already have one, just enter your credentials as you normally would when logging in. This process is simple and straightforward, ensuring that your Squarespace site can securely connect to Square. Once logged in, the connection will be established automatically, linking your Squarespace store with your Square account. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully connected your Square account to your Squarespace site, and now you can manage your transactions in a streamlined and effective manner. This setup means that every payment processed through your website will seamlessly reflect in your Square account, giving you full visibility and control over your sales. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Integrating these platforms not only optimizes your site's checkout process, but ensures that you'll have more time to focus on what truly matters, providing excellent products and services to your customers. Thanks for joining today, and happy selling.